Hey, amazing foodies! James here, and I am thrilled to welcome you back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are embarking on a journey that's not just about taste, it's about comfort, health, and pure culinary joy. So grab your spoons because we are about to explore some incredibly tasty and healthy soup options that will warm your heart and nourish your soul. Hearty chicken and vegetable soup. Our first contender is a hearty chicken and vegetable soup, a comforting symphony of flavors that will fill your kitchen with warmth. Velvety butternut squash soup. Next up, we have the velvety butternut squash soup, a creamy delight perfect for those cozy evenings by the fireplace. Spicy lentil and tomato soup. Feeling a bit adventurous or spicy lentil and tomato soup is a flavorful roller coaster for your taste buds, and every spoonful is a journey into a bold and vibrant taste. Fresh and zesty gazpacho. Let's take a detour to Spain with our fresh zesty gazpacho. A cold soup that screams summer. It's like a burst of sunshine in every spoonful. Nourishing chicken and rice soup. Back to comfort with our nourishing chicken and rice soup, a classic that never disappoints. Each spoonful is like a warm hug from the inside out. Creamy broccoli and cheddar soup. Now, let's indulge in the rich and creamy goodness of a broccoli and cheddar soup. A perfect harmony of velvety texture and savory flavor that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Exotic Thai coconut soup. Transport your senses to the exotic flavors of Thailand with our tantalizing Thai coconut soup, a fragrant blend of coconut milk, lemongrass, and spices that will take your taste buds on a journey to the tropics. Earthy mushroom and barley soup. Embrace the earthy warmth of our mushroom and barley soup, a rustic and wholesome choice for those craving a hearty bowl of comfort. Every spoonful is a celebration of the forest's bounty. That's our wrap. Incredible folks. Thanks for joining me on this soul-warming soup journey. If you have got a favorite or are inspired to try something new, let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Until next time, stay sober, stay happy.